Alright, bitches. I got my pork tenderloins trimmed. Only gonna use one in a bit. So, for future reference, vacuum seal that bitch up. And away it goes for now. Go there. Alright. So, what we're gonna do here is this. I'm gonna put in, say about a tablespoon of this sherry. A little more. Good enough. And what else are we gonna do here? I'm getting all fucking mystified. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. Good enough. Alright. Ginger. About a thumb-sized piece of ginger, and I got 6 cloves of garlic here. Get in there. Bitchy! Good enough. And we'll do, say, a tablespoon of light soy. Good enough. A tablespoon of dark soy. Good enough. This is messy shit, man. What else are we gonna do here? 3 tablespoons of honey. One, 2, 3. Okay. Gonna need another spoon. Okay, that's done, that's done. Lemon juice. Do 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Good enough. Lemon juice. Hoisin sauce, I guess we should put some of that in there, eh? What do you think about 2 tablespoons of that? Hey, you go away till later. Okay. About that, eh? Oyster. Where's the oyster? Oyster. Is the oyster moister? Come on. It's like taking a new bottle of fucking ketchup out. Bitchy. Come on. Come on, bitchy. No anticipation. Got some drops. There you go. Come on. Don't be so fucking persistent. Okay. You're out. I need to do some 5 spice. Let's get, yeah, use a teaspoon. That's a tablespoon. I need that anyway. Baby, 5 spice. Good enough. And about a tablespoon of red food coloring. Or a teaspoon, I should say, sorry. Good enough. And sesame oil, teaspoon. Good enough. Alright. Pretty sure that's about it. Did I put the lemon juice? Yes, I did. Let me see. I think that's it. Alright, we'll mix this up. Oh, bean curd. We need the red fermented bean curd. One of you. Get some of the juice. Get another chunk. There's a nice one. Good. Okay, now we got everything. Except the fork to mash that up. Nope, no fork there. Fork here. Good. Okay, I'm gonna mix this and mash this up. You don't need to watch. This is gonna be a long fucking video. Alright, maybe even break it up. I'll be back in a minute, and cheers, big ears. Woo! Alright, bitches. Got her all mixed up. Ready to go. Ditch pig. Year of the ditch pig. Gotta like that, eh? Nice. Roll her all around in there. Okay. Like I said, I should have done this last night. I had planned on it, but, well, alcohol and drugs kicked in. Going fucking crazy. Fucking, yeah, fucking who. So, I'll be cooking this later on. Fuck, it's windy out there. Fucking hell. Not good. Alright. This smells fucking awesome. That's one of my favorite Asian things to make. Alright. Hopefully, this fucking thing will do the job for this. It works great on pork chops. Tell you that right fucking now. Alright. That's one thing out of the way. Oh. Cheers, big ears. Woo! Alright. Let's make up a little fucking dipping sauce, eh? What do you think about that? So, where is it? Here it is. Little fucking dipping sauce. Oh, she's a new one. Hot stuff. I thought I had an open one already, but obviously not. Good enough. Those are my spoons. Okay, tablespoon of this. Or whichever kind of Chinese chili paste you like. And we will do, say, 3 tablespoons of light soy. Okay. Bitchy! Ow. Itchy. Itchy bitchy. Rice vinegar, tablespoon. enough. Tablespoon of water. Where'd the fucking water go? It was right here. Agua. Ah, great. I just realized that my other spoon is in the fucking sink. Tis wet. Tablespoon of sugar. Yeah. Went to the cupboard and the sugar cupboard was bare. Fuck it. Tablespoon. And sesame oil. Hey, spilled it, bastard. Good enough. Okay. There you go. Don't worry, I'll wash it. You're fucking spilling a lot of stuff today. Okay. Could use actually a little more chili paste. Yeah. There you go. Bitchy! Okay. Cover it, save it for later. Alright. Marinating. Okay, bitches. Second thing done. Woo! RTFO. Drink up, buttercup. Cheers, Chinese ears. Alright. I'll be back. This is for the dumplings. RTFO. Nice. Oh, cheers, big ears. I don't know if I can do this like one-handed, like, probably not. I may have to shut shit off. Oh, there it comes. Come to Papa. There you go. Look out. There you go. Bitchy. Alright. Smells fucking amazing. Alright. Let's just give that a little fucking roll-a-roo. And there you go. Let's open this bitch up. Nice. Okay. Get this fucking going, shall we? Woohoo! Nice. Look at that, eh? Sure, I know it's dark, blah blah blah. Get in there. Yeah, we're only rocking at like 235. Okay. I'm going to put the probe in and I'll be back. So, close that up. So, cheers, big ears. Happy New Year, Chinese style. Woo! Frosty. Alright, bitches. But, cheers, big ears. I'm gonna cover this. Smells amazing. Okay. I still have 2 more fucking dishes to make. But we're fucking getting there. Where's the fucking foil? Alcan. Okay. Bitchy. Get yourself some Alcan. Cover that fucker up. Okay. There's our Char Siu pork tenderloin fucking thingamajigabobber. Alright. Alright. Now we're gonna do a bastard style Cantonese chow mein. I got the onions happening, I got shit going on. Just fucking relax, alright? Should be able to eat before the day is out. If not, it'll be tomorrow. I've been busy. Like I said, I had to go out, phone calls. I've been doing shit, man. Fucking relax. Bitchy. Alright. Ata, drink up, buttercup.